Welcome to Jayam Neet Physics. I am Murugan. இந்த வீடியோவில் ஒரு சின்ன டாபிக் பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்த டாப்பிக்கே டிஸ்கஸ் த ஸ்பெக்ட்ரல் சீரீஸ் ஆஃப் ஹைட்ரஸ் அண்ட் ஆட்டம். இதில் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பெக்ட்ரல் சீரீஸில் தேர்ட் டைப் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அந்த தேர்ட் டைப் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பேஷன் சீரீஸ். ஸோ இந்த பேஷன் சீரீஸ் லைவ்ஸ் இன் நியர் IR region. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இந்த பேஷன் சீரீஸில் என்ன ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வேவ் நம்பர் அண்டு வேவ் லென்த் ஆஃப் பேஷன் சீரீஸ் அதை கேல்குலேட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ என்ன மாதிரி ஃபார்மில் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம கேல்குலேட் பண்ண போகிறோன்னா வேவ் நம்பர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு reciprocal of wavelength is equal to Ribber constant into 1 by n square minus 1 by m square. So n and m are positive integers, capital R Ribber constant. So here condition m is always greater than n. Next, possible transactions in Paschen series. Possible transactions. So the possible transaction in Paschen series, n is equal to 3, m is equal to 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. So this is the possible transactions in Paschen series. The first transaction 4 tends to 3. This is first line of Paschen series. The first line of Paschen series is the maximum wavelength transaction. So this is maximum wavelength transaction or frequency value is minimum for this transaction. Next to the second transaction 5 tends to 3. This is second line of Paschen series. And last transactions infinity tends to 3. This is series limit of Paschen series. Series limit of Paschen series. So the last transaction wavelength value for this transaction is minimum, but frequency for this transaction is maximum. So this is one more question and this is also one more question. Next, to find the first line of Paschen series, to find the wavelength value, to find the wavelength value of first line of Paschen series. The first line of Paschen series value to find the wavelength of first line of Paschen series. So first line of transaction 4 tends to 3. Here n is equal to 3, m is equal to 4. So the wave number is equal to 1 by reciprocal of wavelength equal to Ribber constant into 1 by n square. N square on the 3 square and m square on the 4 square. And simplify 1 by 9 and 16. 1 by 16. And take LCM value. This is wave number. Wave number is equal to, and these two multiplied 144 and cross multiply 16 minus 9 equal to r into 7 by 144. So that is equal to 7r divided by 144. So the wave number value for first line of Paschen series 7r divided by 144. But wavelength of first line of Paschen series, just take reciprocal 144 divided by 7r. This is one more question. Or when substitute Ribber constant in this expression, then only another value also calculated for lambda 1 that value 18,701 Armstrong. This is another answer. The first line of the wavelength of first line of Passion series. Next, to find the wavelength of second line of Passion series. So second line of Passion series transaction 5 tends to 3. 5 tends to 3. So n is equal to 3, m is equal to 5. Similarly, the wave number value lambda divided by 2. Lambda 2. This is second line of Passion series wavelength, that is equal to 1 by r into n square. N square is 3 square minus m square 5 square. And simplify r into 1 by 9 minus 1 by 25. Again wave number is equal to r into 225, 25 minus 9 equal to r into 16 by 225. So this is wave number value 16 r divided by 225. Wavelength value, take reciprocal 225 divided by 16 r. When substitute the Ribber constant in this expression, the another possible wavelength of second line of Passion series 12,784 Armstrong. This is one more question. Next, to find the wavelength of series limit of Passion series. Series limit of Passion series. So the series limit of Passion series transaction value infinity tends to 3. Infinity tends to 3. So n is equal to 3, m is equal to infinity. So similarly, the wave number is equal to reciprocal of wavelength for series limit lambda infinity equal to Ribber constant divided by 1 by n square 3 square minus m square on the infinity square. Now simplify the anything by infinity is 0. So only r divided by 3 square 9. So the wave number value r divided by 9. But wavelength for series limit is equal to just to take reciprocal 9 divided by r. Ribber constant substitute, then only another series limit wavelength is possible, that value 8181 Armstrong. This is one more question. Next, to find the ratio of first line of Passion series and the second line of Passion series. Ratio of first line and the second line of Passion series. Wavelength ratio. This is very important. So the lambda 1 divided by lambda 2 is equal to the first line of wavelength value 144 divided by 7r into lambda 2 value 16r divided by 225. R cancel and simplify 2304 divided by 1575. This one answer. Or lambda 1 divided by lambda 2 is equal to another possible value 18,701 Armstrong divided by 12,784 Armstrong. Armstrong cancel. 18,701 divided by 12,784. This is another possible value. This is one more question. Next, ratio of wavelength of first line of Passion series and wavelength of series limit of Passion series. This ratio value is calculated. This is also very important. question. Lambda 1 divided by lambda infinity. Lambda 1 value 144 divided by 7r into lambda infinity value r by 9 or 9 by r and take reciprocal and r cancel, and finally 144 divided by 63. So this is one more question. Or another possible value, lambda 1 divided by lambda infinity is equal to 18,701 Armstrong divided by 81 Armstrong cancel. 18,701 divided by 81. So this is also another important one more questions. Next, wavelength order of Paschen series. Wavelength order of Paschen series. Wavelength order of Paschen series. For this Paschen series, the wavelength order is maximum for first transaction is maximum possible, and the second transaction is minimum 5 tends to 3, and the last transaction, that is series limit, infinity tends to 3. This is minimum wavelength and this one is maximum wavelength. The first transaction is maximum wavelength. Compare the last transaction for Paschen series. So this is also one more questions. Next, frequency order of Paschen series. Frequency order of Paschen series, just to take reciprocal of wavelength. So frequency order of the first transaction is minimum, and the frequency of second transaction is maximum, and maximum value for last transaction, infinity tends to 3. The frequency value for last transaction is maximum. Compare the first transaction. So this also one more questions. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுகளுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோவில் ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தால் கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.